Hi, ako nga pala si Ferds at isa akong medrep. Ngayon gusto kong i-share sa inyo kung bakit ideal ang trabahong medrep. Number 1, there is a high earning potential and benefits. Meaning nun, not only you get your basic salary, but if you achieve your target, you can get commissions. Ganyan sa sales. And also in many cases, may company car, transportation allowance, food allowances, meron yan. Number 2 is the flexibility and independence. This is a field-based role. You are working alone most of the time. Pero minsan meron ka mga counterparts. Your boss, nagwo-work with lang sila from time to time. Also, you manage your time here. This is not a typical 9 to 5 schedule. It allows a better balance between work and personal life. O, diba? Third is yung job satisfaction. Because being a medrep, you offer goods, services that directly contribute in improving patient lives. Isipin mo yon. You're working for something that can contribute or help your community. Fourth, yung career opportunities. Eventually, when you gain experience, realize mo, gusto ko pala magturo. So you became training manager. Gusto ko pala sa marketing. You became a product manager. Gusto ko palang mag-handle ng big team. You become a district manager, regional sales manager, or even a country manager, di ba? Last is network and respect. You build your network by means of you get to know a lot of people, only doctors, nurses as well, pharmacists, build rapport. You make friends, giging ninong-ninang pa nga yung mga doctors natin. And colleagues, yung mga competitors mo sa area, kumpare, kumare. Ganun. Kaya I know, being a medrep is a respectable and a professional work. So marami talaga ditong opportunities. If you think na ideal para sa iyo ang pagiging medrep, applyan mo na. Malay mo mag-enjoy ka dito, di ba? At magtagal ka. Kaya if you want to know more, lalo na yung real talk, follow for more. Kaya mga ka-reps, G ka ba?